In this video, we show you how to put on the Lumbamed Sacro securely and easily. This way, you can make the best use of the different variants of the pelvic orthosis for your sacroiliac joint therapy. Our recommendation: wear the orthosis on top of underwear or over thin outer garments. This allows the orthosis with the massage pads to work optimally. Please note, before putting on the orthosis, loosen the side straps so that it can be put on without pulling. To do so, unfasten the Velcro ends of the straps and place them further back on the velour of the belt. If your doctor or healthcare specialist has not recommended anything else, fix the massage pads centrally on the grey Velcro surfaces. It is best if the tips of the pads point downwards. To make it easier for you to orientate yourself, you will find the inside label on the right-hand side. The magenta edge is at the bottom end. Now first slide into the left-hand loop on the left inner fastener side. Then guide the orthosis around your pelvis. Next, pass your right hand through the outer right-hand loop. Tighten the two sides of the fastener, one on top of the other, and secure them in the middle. The orthosis is on properly when the lower edge of the fastener closes just above the pubic bone. Now unfasten both ends of the pull straps and pull these forward at the same time. You can adjust the tightness to suit your own requirements and pain levels. The orthosis can now exert its effect. One advantage of the orthosis is its modular design. Depending on your needs, you can adapt the orthosis and just wear the external inelastic pelvic brace with tension strap system. To do this, first loosen the Velcro fastenings on the inside of the closure and on the reverse side. Then remove the elastic comfort knitted support. You can also place the pads individually on the inner side. Please follow the recommendations of your doctor or healthcare specialist. You can then put on the orthosis as described above.